Hello everyone, it's Drew from Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here with you. Thank you for watching this video. I'm excited to make it because I like to talk about critical minerals. I got a doozy for you today. I might be selling it too much. I want to talk to you about cobalt in this video. I want to explain its actions and why you want to know about this critical mineral. So let's get into it. First, it's a trace mineral. So if you haven't watched the Veggie Workshop video yet, it's on our YouTube channel here. I suggest you watch it where I explain trace minerals a little bit more in depth than I'm going to do in this video. But even though it's a trace mineral, which means a very small amount of it is actually needed in our body, it is still absolutely critical. Next thing you need to know about cobalt is that it is intimately related with vitamin B12 in your body. A lot of you already have heard of vitamin B12, but maybe you don't know why you've heard about it. So energy is one of the big topics that comes up when we talk about vitamin B12. We should also talk about blood health. We should also talk about digestive strength when we talk about vitamin B12. So if we want to make sure that we are optimizing our vitamin B12 levels in our body for the sake of energy, blood health, digestion, we want to make sure that we are also optimizing the cobalt levels inside of our body. Now, to get cobalt from food is just a little bit tricky because for the most part, our food sources are going to be seafood, especially things like mussels and oysters. And I know right now some of you are thinking about turning off the video. Hold on. It's not only seafood that we get cobalt from. It's also foods that are naturally blue. So, if you go to the grocer and you buy some blueberries, you buy some blackberries, you're going to get some cobalt inside your system. One of the other ways to make sure that you're getting cobalt is to use a supplement like organically bound minerals. We abbreviate it as OBM here in the office, by standard process. Organically bound minerals is a combination of plants that give us a lot of trace minerals, including cobalt. So, hopefully this gives you a better understanding of this critical mineral, cobalt. As always, if you have questions, leave a comment, leave a like if you actually like this video, and I really hope you stay well. We'll see you soon.